Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel, taking advantage of dips. We're going to talk about profit-taking strategy, what to do on green days, what to do on red days, and money is made on the red days. I made more money in the bear market than the bull market will ever make me, and I'm going to explain that. Now, yes, you can earn insane APYs. Yes, you can earn insane daily earnings, but those who take advantage of red markets or even bear markets, they don't get like a 2 or 3x on their portfolio. They get like a 10x. And I'm going to show you a few examples here. We're also going to go into the UIG and look at mission 6. So if you are part of the UIG, please scroll down to the DeFi Earner Portfolio Challenge. And in Quest 1, which we take you all the way to Quest 7, which is $100,000 per year, which I'm earning, many members are earning in DeFi. Here in Quest 1, you're going to have entry criteria. Please review that. How we hunt and assess opportunities. And then we have liquidity pool exit criteria. When is it time to exit? It's a valid question. Hey, my portfolio value is dropping. Hey, I got into a liquidity pool and I'm getting converted all into one asset as the price drops. Few ways to think about that. Please let me know in the comments if any of this lands or if you disagree with any of it. Let's have a conversation. I'm happy to make follow-up content here. Get this here. So I'm going to go on TradingView for Aerodrome, which you know I've done very well on Aerodrome and I keep doing better. This was literally $8,000. Now it's $9,900 as of like 2 days ago. I started with $5,000 on this platform. I ended up earning $35,000. I did take some profit. I did move it off of XtraFi, but I'm still earning $272 a day and I'm up 35% over the last week. Not bad. I saw the dip in Aerodrome yesterday. It went from a high of 2.3 down to 1.6. And I feel so bad for all the people who panicked here and sold because guess what? People like me and people like you, if we are centered and grounded, we're buying it up. And let's say you bought it up back at 1.6, 1.7. It's now worth 2. And this is a $4 or $5 asset easy in my books. So if we zoom out, even in the most bullish of bull markets, we're going to see 20, 30, even 40% corrections on some assets overnight. That's crypto. That's why there's an opportunity. I'm also pretty heavy on the base ecosystem here on Beefy, but I got in a little bit more during the dip, and now it's worth $9,000 and it's making me $72 per day, whereas this was making $60 a day or two ago. Because there's an opportunity for buying up the dip. Now, let's look at another one, Sui. Sui got hit hard. We were at, wherever we were at, 1.5, even higher, 1.5, 1.55. We were higher at one point. There it is. 1.4 down to almost under $1. Unfortunately, I missed this final wick. My last buy-in was around here, and then I left. Should have bought more here. Like I wish I was on the computer when that happened. When markets are red and things are bearish, I don't look at the US dollar value of something. I look at how much do I own. So as of here, I think I own like 5,000 Sui. I now own almost 7,000 Sui. And my goal is to own 10,000 Sui before things pump like crazy. Yep, the US dollar of my Sui went from whatever it was, 11 grand down to 8 grand or 7 grand. I really don't care because I know what it can be worth. And I can always set a new range with some of my Sui, keep earning a daily income, and then buying more Sui with that. It is going to be impossible to predict the markets. No one can. Some people thought it was going to be all green right before the halving. Some people thought it was going to be a big crash before the halving. I sided on the side of a crash, although some people thought there'd be a pump, but we can't time that. And so I have a very simple rule. Liquidity pools force you to take profit. Most people are not taking profit ever, and they keep repeating the cycle. I've seen so many people call me an idiot because I got into a liquidity pool with a wide range and the price of the asset kept going up. So I kept getting converted into stablecoin, and they're like, you would have made way more just holding the asset. I would have been dollar cost averaging out anyway. I book profit, and you've seen me do this on the YouTube channel. I book profit. I put it on lending platforms so I can lend it for 20, 30, 40, 50% returns. It's not life-changing. And then the second the markets correct like they did, I can deploy that and get right back in. Slow and steady. We were talking to the UIG. My little $80,000 portfolio is now worth almost 400 grand. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. I'm not looking for the next moonshot. I'm not looking to 10x an asset. because most people who play that game lose. I used to play that game. And when I won, I'd feel excited. When I lost, I'd be depressed. Finally, I realized if I could just book $400, $500, $600, $800 per day of profit and keep stacking positions in like Bitcoin, ETH, and blue chips, and keep stacking stables on the side for corrections like this. Yesterday, I deployed probably about 70% of my stablecoin holdings. I lend them. I don't just hold them. 70% of it. I think I had almost 40K. Deployed some. Look at what Arrow just did. Look at what Sui did. And then as I keep booking more profit in different positions on whatever I may be on, Turbos included, Uniswap, Trader Joe, there's opportunities all over the place. I'll keep booking profit. And next time there's a big market correction, maybe Bitcoin will go to 100 and then it'll flash back down to 80 and the market will go with it. Perfect. I come back in. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. But money is made on red days and in bear markets. I'll do a part 2 video on what I mean by that because people are still like, you can't make as much in a bear market percent-wise. You can't. But the coins and tokens you're earning are worth 10 times less than they should be. They're on discount. And so, for example, like Radiant, I was earning Radiant during the whole bear market, make it 100, 200% depending on what day and what week. But the point is, I was earning it at a fraction of a penny. And then the bull market comes and now it's worth 3-4 times more. So if I was earning 100%, but the asset is worth 4 times more now, I was really earning 400%. I'm simplifying that math because it doesn't exactly work that way, but you get the point. Slow and steady. Void of emotion. Leave the emotion for life. But in this game, slow and steady. And it's those who are slow and steady who win this game. We see it time and time again in the UIG. I think we celebrated 42 wins last week. 42. Literally, I'll go in there. 42 wins. We do a report every Friday. That's our end of week report where we cover the top 3 pools, positions, what's going on in the markets, etc. But if I go way down here, 42 wins from people earning the first couple dollars to people earning, $1,300 a month. People earning the first $10. Robert is earning around $220 per day, very close to a 6-figure income. There was one in here where I think they're earning well into a 6-figure income. I just forget where that was. I think it was maybe this one. Nope, that was daily income of 140. Anyway, you get the point. Stick with it. Commit to this. Commit to further ensure you're committed. What I'll do is I will leave links for the UIG if you're looking for community coaching support. And what I'll also do is I'll leave free stuff on this YouTube channel in these 4 corners of the screen. Study this stuff. Spend an hour or 2. Dive in. Master this stuff because this is going to skill that's going to make you so much damn money. If this is your first bull run, you'll make some money. But after you go through one, you'll get rich next bull run. Because once you learn these fundamentals, you'll make money. It's easy to make money right now. But once you learn the cycle, you can literally become wealthy. You'll become better at it every cycle that continues. I can just see the patterns now. It's easy to make money in DeFi, but you do have to commit to studying it. So check out those 4 videos in the 4 corners of the screen. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.